Would you like to learn to perform advanced analytics with code, but without the cost of SaaS? If so, learning R could be just for you. Hi, I'm Brian Amrine with Value Driven Analytics, and in this video, we'll talk about how you can use R to perform data manipulation, perform statistical analysis, and build data science models, all at no cost as R is open source. If that sounds good to you, let's head over to our PowerPoint. Similar to SAS, R is a flexible analytics coding language that can be used for data manipulation and also statistical analysis and building data science models. But unlike SAS, R is open source and free. The R languages is usually coded out and ran in an IDE, an integrated development environment. And the most popular IDE for R is RStudio, but there are others as well out there. Also has an online reporting tool called Shiny R, which is worth checking out. R uses packages that are full of functions for various types of data manipulations and actions. There's packages for regression and different types of data science models and all kinds of data manipulation functions. Now, R has historically been the statistician's preferred SAS alternative, more so than Python. But that seems to be changing as more and more data science algorithms have been created in Python and often in a more computationally efficient manner than in R. That's a generalization. At the bottom here, we have an example of RStudio where you can see the coding window, the console, some variable definitions at the top right, and some examples of output in the bottom right. It's a neat setup, a neat IDE setup where each part of the screen has its purpose. If you like this video, I hope you'll consider liking it formally. And if you'd like to see more analytics, data science, and leadership training videos, please consider subscribing to the channel. Finally, if you have any questions on what we discussed today, please leave a comment and I'll try to respond to it as soon as possible. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.